Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry not been online for a while, just been a bit busy, and you'll probably see why in a second with all the prep I'm doing for the now trip. So probably see loads of bikes in the background. Too many bikes, but anyway, I'll show you what's been going on. So obviously my Honda way for the trip. Just replaced the fairing on the front here. So just looked a bit tired, to be honest. So some new stickers. Oh, and I put some new hand guards on. The other ones were again looking a bit tired. I don't think these will last very long because they look a bit weak, but get a bit of protection from any thorns or stuff that's coming. So quite happy with that. What else have I done? A few new stickers, I think. That's about it, really. Not much. Oh yeah, I lowered the bar. I brought the bar down. I brought the bar down about 2-3 centimeters, so it's a bit easier to use. This is Steve's bike. Again, this is a Wave 110, 2009 edition. Really good ECU on it. Very programmable. And all I've done with this one today, really give it a good wash, done the tyres. Put some stickers on, make it look a bit nicer. This is the other Steve's bike. Loads of spares in here. This is not for me, this is for Com, our main mechanic. He's going to be getting hold of this bike. It's going to be a new frame, new front rack put on. The lighting beam is going to be coming off, reattached, and basically an upgrade of the electrical system. This is obviously 12 volt, but it's not good anymore. You don't need cigarette lighters and stuff on this type of thing, so that'll be coming off. Pretty much everything else is pretty good. New tyres, I think, are going on. The tyres look a bit ropey, so they're not too bad, but yeah, new tyres going on as well. So this Wave, it's got a slightly different front rack on the front now. It's got one of these. The reason I changed it over, it's a bit more robust, it's a bit tougher, you know, and I like the fact it folds up, which is really nice. I've got my old spots on. These have been on, 5-6 years at least. Still very, very good. Always do the job, so I'm not changing them. So that's the lot for the trip so far. There's another few more bikes to be done before we head off. We've got about 2 weeks to get it all done, so we're going to have to rush. Paperwork as well, and you get paperwork done, so hopefully we can get it all done.